Hi, hello, I'm MzPatriciaAnn, and we have a shopping haul video. We just went shopping at Dollar General. I swear to you, Dollar General, like, it seems like all of Dollar General's, like, when you go to a different one, they never have the same products, right? You feel that way, or is it just me? Like, I feel every store has different products, different stuff.
Well, it all depends on what the manager orders.
So, we are in Grayson, Kentucky right now, and we're about 45 minutes to an hour away from home. And we have never shopped at this Dollar General, so we stopped here and we went in there. We spent a total of
$28.88 or something.
$28.57. And we got, I'm gonna show you guys, I'm super excited. We got all kinds of stuff to try. We're gonna do taste testing videos and stuff tonight. I did pick up these, very inexpensive. Everything we got was really inexpensive. No, we didn't pay nothing. We didn't pay no more than like $4 for something.
I was about to say, you didn't pay nothing.
I didn't pay nothing with it. So, I'm going to show you guys what all we got. I've got this eye mask. I really wanted to try these eye masks. I see them all the time in the spoilers, and I'm like, I've never done an eye mask. I'm going to do that. And I got the charcoal and black sugar dual action face mask. I want to try it out. And I am going to be... I gotta put my sunglasses on, guys. I don't know if it's too bright for you, but it is too bright for me because he is facing the sun.
It's totally my fault.
It's green. I am going to have Face Mask Friday on my channel, so make sure you check out my YouTube channel. Subscribe to me. Check it out every Friday. I'm going to be having a face mask party, and we're going live, and you can join in on the fun. Bring your face mask and bring your friends. And, we're actually going to stop here and order some food, and I'll get right back to you. I'll finish this haul. Okay, so we stopped and we ate, and I am still doing my shopping haul for you guys from Dollar General. Me and Glenn got these to try. We're going to put them in the freezer. They're the slushy puppy. The slush puppy. I really like the slush puppy, so I think I'm going to really like this. You put them in a freezer. He got the blue raspberry, I got the strawberry. And they was like $1 a piece. It was not that expensive. I did get these mixed nuts. It was like $2. And I just need something to munch on. I don't really snack that much, but I like to have, my big problem is when we went into Dollar General, I was starving. I think that was our problem. Oh, we got so much snacks, you know? And then we got the Doritos flavored shots, flaming hot nacho flavored nuts. Never heard of these, never seen these. I wanted to try these out. You know, we never did taste test that coconut thing I got home.
I know you stuck it in that bag.
Yeah, we gotta go through it. And then Glenn picked these up. He sits here and says, I do not let him eat snacks. Here's proof that he eats snacks.
What do we have to go through to get those?
We had to go through nothing to get through these.
She almost gave me a talking to in family.
I did not. I just said don't get a lot because I don't like you eating too much chips.
Now what did I pick out? Trail mix. And you picked out, you told us.
I said go ahead and get some Pringles. I was being nice. So we got Pringles, and he wanted to try these out. He got the Applewood smoked cheddar, and then he got the chicken and waffles. Kind of different flavors, but we're going to try them out and see if we like them. That's all for that bag. Oh, how many bags did we get?
4.
There's just 3 down here. Just 3? And then I love tea. I drink a lot of tea. And I got the caffeine free. I got 2 of them for $3, which is really a good deal because I think they're usually 2 for $5. So I should probably got 2 more. But anyway, I got the, how do you say that? Cherry hibiscus. Cherry hibiscus. And then I got the mango hibiscus. And they're both caffeine-free brewed herbal tea, 110 calories each. I'm not much on drink, and I don't like to drink my calories. I'd rather eat my calories. That's why I drink unsweet tea or drink water. I do not like to drink my calories, but for a treat, I would not care to have this. Because I do have coffee, and my coffee has a little bit of calories in it because I add the creamers and the milk and all that stuff. So I thought we had more bags than this. Did we lose some? Anyway, I guess we only got 3 bags, unless we lost some. Glenn got. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so Glenn got these. He got the Warheads Extreme Sour Freezer Pops. He got the watermelon, blue raspberry, apple, and black cherry. And the extreme, they're extreme, so.
I like sour stuff.
They're 190 calories per serving. Yeah. That's a lot of calories for a popsicle. God, you're gonna become a diabetic if you eat this whole container.
I'm not gonna eat them all at once. It's like after you mow the lawn, you get one.
Well, anyway, he got these. And
How
then,
many calories is your slush puppy?
oh, I didn't even look. Oh, man. Okay, the Slush Puppy's calories is a lot bigger container for one. How many calories?
290.
180. So still 10 calories less than his little popsicle. And you get this big container.
Serving size 10 popsicles.
1 serving per container.
Which means all 10 is 1 serving.
Oh.
So for all 10 is 190 calories.
Whatever. I still think that these is.
Which means 19 calories a piece.
How many?
19 times 10 is 190.
Okay, 19 calories a piece, whatever. Okay, you're gonna kill us while you're sitting there doing that. Okay, then he out. Glenn, that's not safe driving. We also got salted caramel trail mix for Glenn. Now here is the fun part of the video. I already showed you my face mask I got and my eye mask. I also picked up these since I want to kick of wearing fake fingernails. Look how cute these are. These are so cute. And these was like $4 or $5. And right now, here's the nails I'm wearing. And I lost one today hiking. These was also $5 at Dollar General. They were super long. I trimmed them up and cut them. I may have to trim these up, but I don't know how I'm going to with the diamonds on. I didn't think that far ahead. I probably should have.
Trim them up on the back end before you go home.
How? Because the diamonds, look, see? I can't. So, let's see how that goes. I did get some other things. He got on to me. Okay, first of all, I picked this up and it's nail polish. I love nail polish that is like you can draw with, and I got this for $1 and it's silver. And it was so sticky, like every one of them was so sticky where they laid it in with the lip gloss. And I guess the lip gloss one of them exploded or something, got all over it. My hands were so sticky in the store. And he gets on to me because I was like, I went like this down his shirt. And he's like, this is my new shirt.
Oh, nice. Did you really wipe that on my brand new shirt?
So he acted like he hawked a loogie, put on my bag. See, he's disgusting. So then, I got this for like $2.50. I don't have much glue, and I just love glitter. I love glitter so much. I thought I could use these. And then, I also got my brow pencil, and it was like $2.50. I really like these brow pencils because if you look right here, right there, you can see how the brow is shaped. It's like, it's literally, you just put it on and you can see. I put my brows on, and it's really fast, easy. Recommend these pencils. Definitely recommend them. So guys, that is all for my Dollar General haul. Again, I seriously think like every Dollar General has different products, and they just have different things. Like I literally want to take a road trip one day, and I will go to every Dollar Tree, every Dollar General, and just see what all I can find. You game for that? He hates it. He hates going. Even though half the stuff, more than half the stuff we got is for him. More than half of it's for you.
Okay, I'll take you. But I get to stay in the truck with my Switch.
And your card?
Yeah, and my card.
Okay guys, so that is all for our shopping haul. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, and tell me in the comments below what is your favorite product that you found at Dollar General.